this condition of 25,000 shillings as a deposit of the 49,000 shillings that was previously demanded by the school was supposed to be paid before these students will go back to school. This explains why on a Friday, when these boys went back to school for the rehearsal, most of them were chased away from school because of their failure to honor the 25,000 shillings. So as of today, the court has given certain directions, which we have received with gratitude. And we applaud the good judge, my Lord Justice Sargon, for giving these directions. The court has ordered that in the meantime, that the school permits the readmission of these students upon the payment of 10,000 shillings, which is a relief to parents that came to us crying out for justice, saying that in view of the current harsh economic times, that they will not and they are not able to pay the 49,000 shillings, or at the very least, the 25,000 shillings that was demanded by the school. So for that reason, parents who had rushed or come to us seeking anonymity, or seeking that we do not disclose their names or the names of their students or their children, then it means that they will be allowed to go back to school after paying the 10,000 shillings that the court has ordered. Then subsequently, the balance of that deposit of 25,000 shillings is staggered or can be staggered to future times.
School, by Friday, coerced some parents, intimidated the parents, and some parents, out of fear, sold their cows, sold their tea, because Litein is a tea growing zone, and they managed to pay 25,000 shillings. On top, the school was demanding fees arrears. Some of the fees arrears is the capitation that comes from the Ministry of Education, where these students have no control. The principal wanted them to pay that which the government pays. So, more than 300 students were chased on Friday. Today in the morning, they were hoping the court will listen to them and allow them to go back to school. We have convinced the court, and the court has said they only pay 10,000 shillings. Unconditionally, they get to school. They do their exam. Next week, they pay 5,000 shillings. The judge has allowed us to do submissions on the 29th of this month, and the judge will give a judgment before the end of this month, so that the 49,000 shillings, if found to be reasonable, then the parents will be ordered to pay. If found to be unreasonable, that amount they are paid, the 25,000 shillings, plus those ones who will pay 10,000 shillings today will be refunded. We are certain that this is a landmark decision from Justice Sargon, where the students have won, and this represents the question about whenever a strike happens, who should carry the responsibility? Is it the management for failure to manage a school properly? Because why do other schools don't go on strike? And those are the questions that we are putting to the judge.